Okay, dear friends, in this exercise, what we are just going to see is we will create our first simple plot using Matplotlib. And the purpose of this exercise is for you to create your first simple line plot using Matplotlib. And here, including the customization of the plot with format string, we are just going to use. Okay, and see here we are the necessary modules and enabling for plotting. I just use the function to import. Okay, and here we are importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, and next here for your for information, here explicitly I'm just creating a figure and setting the dpi to 100. You can also make use of this as a 200 or 300, however you how the exact visualization do you want, you can just make over. And next comes the plotting, and here the plot the having a data pair of x comma y, okay, which are connected with the line segment. As see here, this is the x plot where 1 2 4 5 would be the x path and 1 3 4 3 would be the y path, where when coming to x comma y, how the exact plot would be is one from this and one from this, and two from this list and three from this list. So when I'm plotting, we would just get the points as 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 4 and 5 comma 3. Okay, let me just visualize it by plot.show, and added to that I want to save this plotting, okay, which there shown to this after this. Okay, I just want to save it, and my plotting saving image would be as like exercise1.png. Okay, and see here, let I just execute it for your in. Here it is the exact plot. Okay,